Welcome back to Karenliz TV, and for today's video, I'm going to give you swatches of this Natural Organics Local Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So this is how the packaging looks like. Yan, ganyan siya guys. It's very elegant to look at. Meron siyang gold and transparent cover packaging yan. Parang siyang may bullet lipstick, pero actually parang design lang yan. And this is a wand type applicator. Yan, meron siyang doe foot applicator. So, yan, I have 10 shades na ipapakita sa inyo. Wala na ako masyadong sasabihin about this product because they are highly pigmented. Meron siyang moussey consistency. Hindi siya kiss-proof, hindi siya smudge-proof kasi nga parang velvety yung finish niya and moussey. So, pwede mo siyang i-blot with tissue para medyo parang matte or hindi masyado shiny yung dating niya sa camera. Hindi pa rin siya transfer-proof kahit anong gawin. Yan, may minimal transfer. So, parang mag-i-stain siya sa lips mo. Lalo na pag wala na yung parang moussey consistency niya. Kasi, syempre, habang umiinom ka, diba, nawawala. So, very staining siya. Yun. So, yan. I really like the colors na na-receive ko. So, yun na nga. If you want to know the swatches, then let's move on. Thank you, Mallows, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Of course, keep in mind more positivity, less negativity. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!